Basketball, you betcha I'm back in the building. It is the Daily Trainer, and I know you want some more. So let's get into it and let's get on the flow. I hope you can get into it as much as I'm getting into it each and every day in each and every way to give you what you need to succeed. Always guaranteed. It is Basketball You, and I love it, baby. I hope you do too. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe all day long and share it with somebody who needs a little bit of hoop knowledge in their life. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and get into our defense right away. Oh yeah, no time to play. In the summer, no one's really playing defense. So I want you to get your body ready, and I want you to excite everyone by picking up full court and locking up somebody. So we're going to start that right away with our zigzags. Oh yeah, you're going to pick them up right there in the corner, and you're going to let them know you aren't going anywhere. Okay, so with our zigzags, we're going to go on each side. We're going to go 3 times each with our sprint all the way down. Okay, after we do our zigzags, we are then going to do our full sprint and our directional slides. Okay, so today we're doing every single defensive drill we got. We're going to go sprint down. We're going to go our directional slides. So you're going to hit the middle. You're going to slide all the way across to the free throw line. You're going to slide all the way back across, back to the middle, then back pedal. We're going to do that 3 times each as well. Remember, you're going to do once directional movement on one side, then go again directional movement on the other side. Then we're going to go with our NBA drill, with our square drill, where we're going to go 4 times. You're going to go sprint, you're going to slide, you're going to backpedal, you're going to slide back, you're going to sprint, you're going to slide, and you're going to backpedal. Okay? Now, after you do that, you're going to be a little tired after doing those 3 drills. So what I want you to do is pick that basketball up, because sometimes we do a lot of defensive playing. We don't get the ball, but we end up on a fast break. We get fouled. We got to get to the free throw line. So I want you to make 5 free throws. Then after you make those 5 free throws, before you get your drink of water, I want you to do 10 sets of 1-leg hop squares. Okay, you're going to do those. Then you're going to go get your water. All right, now you're going to feel that burn a little bit, but remember, each one count is based off the 1, 2, 3, 4 on the hop. That'll be your full 1. Okay, and then you rest your leg by jumping on the other leg to give your other leg that rest. All right, go ahead and grab that water, and then let's get back to it. Oh yeah, picking it up again right where we left off. Going hard on the defensive end, and what you're going to do is you're going to sprint out of that corner, work on that closeout with that right hand, then you're going to slide across that free throw line, then you're going to slide across, and then you're going to sprint up. Okay, we're doing that 3 times as well. Okay, we're working these quads out today. I know they're going to be burning. They are going to be burning. Okay, then you're going to do that on the other side. Then we have, again, one of my favorite drills, and this will be our 2-cone slide drill, where we slide under and over the top, and then we go across. Okay, and what I want here is, again, I don't want you crossing your feet, and I really want you to push on that second part of the sliding. Okay, going to that other set of cones, and then you're doing the same thing coming back right after you pass the last set of cones, and then you're just going up and around the other way to work that hip again. All right, we're going to do that 3 times as well. All right, and so now you're probably breathing hard. Your legs are tired. That's okay. We got some liners for you. Don't worry about it. So those quads are going to be a little tight. That's all right. 37 seconds are going to be on the clock today. We're going to get that liner done in 37 seconds. Let's do 2 of them. Okay. In between that, I want you to shoot 3 free throws. And then I want you to get ready to play some more defense. The defense that you're going to play this time is you're going to go quick feet. You're going to get those feet chopping in the key, and we're going to get after it. Okay. What's the goal? The goal is 21. That's what we're trying to get this week. Okay. So don't forget, you're chopping those feet. As soon as you hit your 30-second clock ready to go, you're going right to left or left to right. We're staying down in the stance. We're working on pushing off and trying to get in front of our offensive player. And that is exhausting. So make sure you take a 30-second break in between each of those 30 seconds. All right. And then our last defensive thing that we will put you through is, again, I can't explain this one enough. It's long, but it's a very good drill. You're going to go sprint up, which is working on that closeout again. You're working a directional movement, 2 slides, sliding back. Now you're backpedaling. Now you're denying the wing. Now you're denying the back door. You can close out or you can slide and sprint. Okay, love the drill. It's great. It's long, but it also keeps you focused on the proper footwork, how to turn your head, how to use your hands to get in that passing lane for deflections. That's important. Okay, so don't you forget that. As you're breathing hard, your hands are on your knees. I want you to stand up. I want you to get that basketball. I want you to make 5 free throws. Then I want you to go over, get some ice cold water. Don't drink too much though, because you'll start cramping. We don't want that. Let's go, basketball you. Let's go. Go ahead and grab that basketball. Let's get to dribbling. All right. We're going to go stationary, man. You guys been moving around. I know you're tired. You know, I don't want you to fall out on me. So let's go ahead. Let's get in that low stance. Let's get that right hand pound low. Let's get that right hand pound mid. Let's get that right hand pound high. Okay. We're going to do that for 30 seconds each. Those forearms will be burning just like those quads were earlier. Then we got our left hand low, our left hand mid, our left hand high. Great. Then we have our in and out. Okay, our in and out dribble. And what we're doing there is we're just working on control. Wide as you can across your body. Gonna do that for 30 seconds. You got both hands on that as well. Okay, then after you do that, we're gonna go pound and cross. Pound and cross is simple as easy, good rhythm. Then you're gonna have low cross, then you're gonna have wide cross. Okay, we're just gonna work that out. Another 30 seconds each. Nothing too fancy, nothing too difficult. Then you're gonna put it through your legs, or tween, however you like to say it nowadays. And you're gonna put it right back through your legs again. You're gonna do one leg for 30 seconds. You're gonna switch legs. Then we have alternating. So you're gonna pound and alternate, pound and alternate. That'll be stationary as well. That's gonna be 30 seconds. I need you to work on staying low. Don't do it high, because you'll find yourself losing your dribble quite a bit. Look, you lost your dribble already. Trying to look up at the screen, and then you've kicked it off the back of your leg or it hit the back of your thigh. It's okay. You're like, man, is he watching me? Yeah, I'm watching you. I'm watching you get better. Even though you're messing up, you're getting better. So that's what I want you to keep in mind. Please don't forget that. That is the goal of everything. Okay. Now, you are going to go through the legs, and you're going to cross it back over to go through the same legs again. Okay. That's going to be 30 seconds. You're going to do both legs as well. Okay. Your next one's going to be through the legs behind the back. A little tricky, a little bit more difficult, because you got to shift the legs a little bit different. But this one's easy too. You got 30 seconds there. Okay. Now this one's going to be tough. This is more of a challenge for you. If you want to do it, you don't have to. If you can, great. We're going to go behind the back, a little Kyrie Irving action. Oh yeah, I like that one. I saw him do it the other day on like a mixtape, and whoo, it was nice. Imagine when you're able to do it when you're moving. It just throws the defender off, because they think you're coming with the ball in front of you, and you just keep it behind you the whole time. Imagine that. Great handle. So that's 30 seconds. And then just to get a little bit more advanced with it, we're going to go cross, through. Okay, so you're going to work that one stationary. And then I also want you to work, you're going to move a little bit. You're going to dribble up, and you're going to work your retreat dribble. Okay, dribble up, work your retreat dribble. All right, both hands, both sides, turn properly. So one thing that we do when we do this, when we're first learning, sometimes we turn with our ball, showing the ball instead of keeping it in our hand furthest away from the defender. So make sure you keep it in your hand furthest away from the defender. That's the biggest thing here when you're doing this. All right. Basketball U, if you want to get extra work in, I got it for you. The extra work is going to be 500 jump ropes, agilities, and broad jumps. So if you want to get that in, be my guest. But that is my time for today. I'm so happy that you came ready to play. Daily trainer, all day, every day. I'm out of here, basketball U. And you know there's one thing I got to tell you. Someone's always working. Are you?